friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. I'm really excited for today's video. I'm going to be doing a first impressions with the new Violet ink palette from Menagerie Cosmetics. Oh, I'm so excited. I love Menagerie so much. I think their shadow formula is one of the best out there. Their color stories are so unique and so beautiful. I love everything about this brand, honestly. I love the micro palettes specifically just because they're so small and curated and perfect. This is the second one they've come out with. And just look at the color story with the cover. Like, it just matches so beautifully. I love that. I love when a brand matches their packaging with the color story. It makes me happy. I just love it. So Menagerie Cosmetics actually contacted me wanting to send me this in PR, and I was so excited. And I also bought a second one because I intended on giving it to a friend. The PR one got lost in the mail, so she's sending me a new one. But this is the one that I bought for a friend that I'm going to just use today, and I will give the PR one to the friend later. But I'm really excited to play with this. I also ordered a new liquid lipstick because I like this liquid lipstick formula. It's more of a velvety finish rather than a drying matte finish, which I prefer. And yeah, I have no idea what look we're going to create. Obviously something purple, probably something very blown out. I think I'm feeling that kind of vibe today. And yeah, I plan on doing an eye swatch video, which will be the video after this one. And then I will be doing my 3-Looks-1 palette with this very, very soon as well. That might be within a couple videos as well. So yeah, I'm excited to play with this. I'm going to zoom you guys in, prime my eyes with my Sigma eyeshadow base and Ignite, and not set it, and we'll get started. Look at my new It mug. I'm obsessed with it. I saw it and I didn't have a choice but to buy it. So my eye's primed. The first thing I want to do is take Jellyfish, and I really just want to blow this out all around my eye. This is an SL Miss Glam L34 brush. I got it in BoxyCharm 100,000 years ago. I'm just going to tap right in and just start blending this all around the perimeter of my eye. I'm really excited to film my eye swatch video with this palette just because, I don't know, I just want to play with each shade individually. Ooh, look how cute of a color. I'm really happy I've learned to like purple eyeshadow over the last year or so. Because it used to be my least favorite to play with. Now it's, I don't know if I'd say it's one of my favorites, but I do really enjoy it. I think it's really pretty. I love how like pigmented and pastel this is at the same time. What a dream. What are you guys up to? Today's Monday, it's Labor Day. I took the day off just because Zane already had the day off from his work, so I just gave myself the day off too. I'm going to be hanging out with Mackenzie today. Today's actually the first day Morgan gets to work in the new salon. I'm really excited. I might try to swing by and bug her. I worry about my little friend. She's going to do great. It's just like, it's like seeing your child go to school for the first time, you know what I mean? Like, she's a business owner now. It's so exciting. Just really want to make sure to put some extra color in this front portion just because it gives it that grungy effect that I so adore, especially lately. But I mean always, but especially lately. Now I want to take a small brush. This is the e.l.f. Detail Crease Brush. It's really tiny, and I want to take Inkjet, and I just want to pop that really just like right on the very lowermost part of my outer corner and lower lash line, and a little bit, well, really all over my lower lash line. Oh my gosh, it's such an inky color. What an appropriate name. I need to do another Menagerie multi-palette bingo now that I have this palette. I will try to do that sometime this month. So now I'm going to take this dual-ended Anastasia brush, and I'm going to take Octopi, and I'm going to use that to kind of be a merger in between those two shades. Again, mostly focused in the outer corner, and then heavy focus on that lower lash. Ooh, these are some pigmented shades. Proceed with caution. Ooh, they sneak peeked that new Lion palette. I forget what it's called, but it has lions on the front. And I'm so hype. I think she said fall. I'm so excited to see what the color story is. I already know that I need it. It's gonna be so good. I love lions. I love any kind of big cats. or a small cat. Oh, it's so rich and pretty on my eyeball. Gonna take a little bit more of jellyfish just to swirl on this outside edge again. Oh, I love this. It's so pretty. So I've been trying the Fenty foundation. I don't think I love it. I don't hate it, but I definitely don't love it. The Anastasia Luminous Foundation is so much better than the Fenty Hydrating one for me. Fenty Hydrating one's just, I almost feel like it's a little dry in some spots on me. I don't know. I know it's supposed to be hydrating, but maybe not for me. Look how beautiful. Oh, I only say that. I only mention that just because it is getting a little cakey where my foundation is right here where I'm blending, but that's not the shadow's fault. It's literally my eyeshadow's fault. I mean, the foundation's fault. I can't speak. I need more coffee, apparently. Oof, I love this. It's so rich and pretty. So for my lid, I want to use really probably both shimmers. I think I want to put Mimic towards the top and then 3 hearts towards the bottom half so I can have all those multi-shimmers across my lid. I'm just going to take the shadow side of that Anastasia brush. There is a cat hair on it. I'm going to wipe that off. Take some NYX glitter primer on that brush. And we're just going to smear that around. I have a little bit too much. And yeah, I'm going to do kind of a cut creasey thing. I really like combining a half cut crease with a very blown out grungy, like lower lash line. I don't know. I like the mix of the two styles. Taking Mimic first, the lighter of the two shimmers. And I'm just popping that right along where that cut should be. This is such a cool shade. And now I'm going to flip that brush over and dip into 3 hearts. Ooh, does that mean squids have 3 hearts? That's horrifying. In case you're new here, I'm scared of all aquatic life. Whales especially, but really anything that lives in the ocean or any kind of fish. I'm not a fan of that kind of stuff. Ooh, look how cool these shimmers look together. I'm definitely doing majority 3 hearts with just that little pop of Mimic at the top. I'm going to take that brush that I used with the darkest just to smudge between the matte and the shimmer. I love it. It's lovely. For highlighting my inner corner, I'm just going to take my Juvias X Fumi palette and take the highlight shade, the FDV approved, because I use that to highlight my face. So I'm just going to use that to highlight my inner corner as well. What a cute little purple palette. I'm a fan so far. All right, well, I'm gonna find something for my waterline. I don't know what I want yet, probably a purple. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other eye, throw on my lashes, something on my lips, and we will finish up. Yeah. Mackenzie's here. Say hi.
Hi.
This is my final look. I went with that Sedona liquid lipstick. I like it. I wouldn't have necessarily picked this for this look. I mean, it doesn't look bad. I probably would have just picked a gloss because that's what I wear all the time now. But I do like this color. I like the palette so far. Like I said, I'm going to do a eye swatch video soon and 3 looks, 1 palette. But so far I really like it. The purples seem pretty solid. They blend really nice and they aren't patchy. So that's cool. My eye pencil is over here. It is Vivid from LA Girl. I don't really have that many purple eye pencils and this is the best one I had to go with this look. And I went with my same Sugar Pill Halo lashes that I've been wearing a lot, and I guess that's it. I don't have any other opinions. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. What else do I say?
For Mackenzie $1,000. She will send toe pictures.
There you go. Send Mackenzie a Venmo for $10,000. She'll send you toe pictures. Do you guys have this palette? Do you want this palette? I'm pretty sure it's permanent. I don't think it's limited edition, and I'm pretty sure it's coming back in stock. But I don't know for sure. But let me know if you have this and if you like it. I want to hear your thoughts about it. If you are not already, please hop over to my Instagram. It's beautbean. Follow me there. I post every single day. And don't forget to subscribe. I post most days here as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.
Peace the fuck out, bitch.
Okay, bye.